Hey Ryobi fans, you already know how the brand keeps pushing the envelope. This year, Ryobi's rolling out a wave of new tools that are built to tackle real-world jobs with smarter solutions. We've dug through the lineup and pulled together 20 fresh releases you probably haven't seen yet. In this video, we'll break down what makes each one stand out, the problems they're built to solve, and how they can make your DIY or yard work smoother and faster. Let's jump into the future of Ryobi Tools. If you work with metal, tile, or concrete, you know an angle grinder is a must-have. Ryobi's 4.5-inch brushless angle grinder gives you corded-level power in a cordless setup. No more dragging extension cords around the job site. The HP brushless motor cranks out 9,000 RPM, which means it won't bog down when cutting rebar or grinding welds. It's also built with safety in mind. The anti-kickback feature automatically shuts the tool off if the wheel binds, helping prevent sudden jolts. You get a 3-position side handle and tool-free guard adjustment for better control and flexibility whether you're cutting or grinding. The kit includes grinding and cutting wheels, a 4 amp-hour high-performance battery, and a charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. If you need a reliable cordless grinder that can handle tough jobs without compromise, this one's built for it. If you're thinking about switching from gas to battery for your lawn care, this mower makes a strong case. Ryobi's 21-inch brushless self-propelled multi-blade mower is built to deliver the same cut quality and power you'd expect from a 170cc gas engine without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. It features a dual-blade system that gives your lawn a cleaner, more even finish. The HP brushless motor and smart controller provide serious torque so it won't bog down in thick or overgrown grass. The Smart Trick self-propelled tech adjusts to your walking speed, making it easier to maneuver. You get 3 mowing options: bagging, mulching, or side discharge, and switching between them is quick thanks to the Easy Lift Bagger. There's also a single-point height adjustment and LED headlights for early morning or late evening cuts. The kit includes 2 40V 6AH batteries, giving you up to 70 minutes of runtime, enough to cover about 3/4 of an acre. It's a powerful, feature-packed mower that makes battery-powered lawn care feel like an upgrade. Washing your car at home is a great way to save money, but getting that clean, glossy finish isn't always easy with a standard pressure washer. That's where Ryobi's high-flow automotive pressure washer steps in. It's built specifically for car detailing, with high-flow tech that pushes out up to 1.8 gallons per minute, just what you need to generate thick, clingy foam that lifts dirt without damaging your paint. Most regular washers can't deliver that kind of foam. This model comes with a foam blaster, a soft bristle brush, and a turbo nozzle that's gentle on surfaces but tough on grime. You also get a built-in detergent tank and a 5-in-1 nozzle for quick spray pattern changes. The engine has an idle down feature that cuts noise and saves fuel when you're not spraying. And with its sturdy frame and 10-inch flat-free wheels, it's easy to roll around your driveway. If you want pro-level results without leaving home, this washer makes it simple. If you're working out of a tight garage or a compact workshop, space is always at a premium. That's where Ryobi's Stowaway wall-mounted workbench comes in. It's built to give you a solid work surface without eating up your floor. It mounts right to the wall and folds down when you need it, revealing a butcher block top that can handle up to 300 pounds. Perfect for repairs, assembly, or any hands-on project. When you're done, it folds back up and sticks out less than 7 inches, so you can reclaim that space instantly. Plus, the back panel includes a link wall rail, so you can snap on hooks, shelves, and bins to keep your go-to tools organized and within reach. It's a smart, space-saving setup that lets you build out your workspace without sacrificing room to move. If you're into woodworking or refinishing, you know how important a smooth, swirl-free finish is. Ryobi's brushless 5-inch random orbit sander is built to deliver just that. The HP brushless motor keeps a steady speed under pressure and runs longer on a single charge, which is key for consistent results. It spins up to 11,000 orbits per minute for fast material removal, and the variable speed dial lets you dial it back for more delicate work. The random orbit motion means the pad never follows the same path twice, helping eliminate swirl marks. You also get a comfortable grip, a dust bag that actually works, and a hook and loop pad system that makes swapping out sandpaper quick and easy. Whether you're smoothing out a tabletop or prepping for paint, this sander gives you the control and finish quality you need.
For smaller clogs in sinks, tubs, or showers, Ryobi's USB lithium 3-foot drain auger is a compact lifesaver. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for clearing out hair and buildup in tight spots. The powered feed system makes the job faster and cleaner, and the 1/4-inch tip is ideal for drains up to 2 inches wide. It runs on Ryobi's USB lithium battery, which charges via USB-C, so it's always ready when you need it. A smart fix for quick plumbing problems. Installing a new lock can be intimidating, especially if your door doesn't have pre-drilled holes. The Ryobi wood metal door lock installation kit takes the guesswork out of the job. It includes a clamp-on jig for perfect alignment, plus 2 carbon-tipped hole saws for standard lock set sizes. You also get a high-speed drill bit, wood spade bit, and chisel to finish the latch plate mortise. Whether you're working with wood or metal, this kit turns a tricky task into a straightforward, repeatable process. No pro needed.
If you've ever admired those sharp, alternating stripes on a well-kept lawn, this accessory is how you get that look. Ryobi's 20 to 21-inch lawnmower striper attaches to the back of most walk-behind mowers in that size range, including Ryobi and other common brands. As you mow, the roller gently presses the grass blades down. Mowing in one direction bends the blades away from you, making them reflect more light and appear lighter. Mowing back the other way bends them toward you, creating a darker stripe. The result? That clean, professional finish you usually see on sports fields. The roller is built tough, and you can fill it with up to 12 pounds of sand to add weight for deeper, more defined stripes. It's simple to install and makes a big visual difference without adding much effort to your mowing routine.
Cordless saws used to mean compromise, but not anymore. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus HP brushless 7 1/4-inch circular saw delivers 40% faster cutting and over 325 crosscuts per charge when paired with a 4Ah battery. The full-size blade cuts up to 2 7/16 inch deep at 0 degrees, making quick work of stacked sheets and 2x lumber. You get a built-in LED for better visibility and a removable dust chute that fits standard vacuum hoses to keep your cut line clean. With a bevel range up to 56 degrees and rugged build quality, this saw is ready for serious job site action. Let's kick things off with a tool built to tackle one of the most annoying home issues: clogged drains. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus 35-foot drain auger gives you serious reach with a reinforced cable that extends up to 35 feet, perfect for most residential plumbing. It runs on any 1 Plus battery, so you're not stuck near an outlet while working under a sink or in tight spaces. The powered feed system lets you extend and retract the cable with a button press. No more manual cranking or messy snaking. It's designed to clear clogs and pipes from 3/4 to 2 inches, making it a cleaner, faster fix for slow drains and backed-up tubs. The Ryobi USB lithium misting fan combines airflow with a fine mist to help you stay comfortable whether you're at a game, working in the garage, or relaxing outside. It clips onto surfaces up to 1.5 inches thick and has 3 fan mist settings. You can draw water from a bucket using the included 10-foot hose or screw a standard water bottle directly into the base. Powered by a USB lithium battery, it's rechargeable, portable, and perfect for beating the heat wherever you are.
Lighting is one of those things you can't compromise on, especially in a workshop or job site. Ryobi's tri-powered tripod LED light delivers up to 3,800 lumens of bright, clear light to help you work safely and accurately. What sets it apart is its triple power option. You can run it off any 1 Plus 18V battery, a 40V battery for extended runtime, or plug it into a standard outlet for continuous power. The tripod base adjusts from 2 to 7 feet tall, and the light head pivots 270 degrees and rotates 260 degrees so you can aim it exactly where you need it and cut out shadows. Setup takes seconds and it collapses down for easy transport and storage. Whether you're painting, Working in tight spaces or tackling a late-night project, this light gives you flexible, high-output illumination that adapts to the job.
For woodworkers, a compact router is one of those tools you reach for constantly, whether you're adding decorative edges, trimming laminate, or doing precision joinery. Ryobi's brushless compact router gives you cordless freedom without compromising on power. The HP brushless motor spins up to 30,000 RPM, making clean, smooth cuts even in tough hardwoods. And without a cord getting in the way, you can move freely around your workpiece. No snags, no ruined edges. Depth control is dialed in with a micro adjustment knob, which is key for fine woodworking. It's built on a sturdy cast aluminum base for stability, and the integrated LED light helps you see exactly where you're cutting. The kit includes a 4Ah high-performance battery and charger, and thanks to the motor's efficiency, you can get over 280 linear feet of roundovers on a single charge. If you want precision, portability, and clean results, this router checks all the boxes.
This one's all about making garage work easier on your body. The Ryobi dual-function lighted creeper seat is built for comfort and flexibility whether you're sliding under a car or working low to the ground. It quickly switches from a flat creeper to a rolling seat in seconds. No tools needed. That means less strain on your knees and back and more freedom to move around. It also comes with a removable LED light that hits up to 300 lumens. It's magnetic and has a hook, so you can stick it under the hood, on the frame, or wherever you need extra light. The creeper itself has a padded headrest, a steel frame rated for up to 300 pounds, and 6 swivel casters that make rolling around smooth and easy. If you're into auto work or just want a more comfortable setup for low projects, this is a smart, space-saving upgrade.
If you've got a big yard and heavy leaf coverage, this blower means business. The Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless backpack blower pushes out 850 CFM at 180 miles per hour, enough power to move wet leaves and debris with ease. It comes with 2 6Ah batteries and a dual-port rapid charger for extended runtime. You get a turbo button for max output and cruise control for less hand fatigue. The contoured back and adjustable straps make it comfortable to wear, and the low-noise, no-fume design means you're not trading power for convenience. If you've ever trimmed hedges, you know the clippings end up everywhere. The Ryobi Hedge Debris Collector is a simple fix that makes a big difference. It slides onto the blade of most 18 or 26-inch hedge trimmers, not just Ryobi, and catches leaves and twigs as you cut. Once it's full, just dump it into a yard waste bag or compost pile. It's especially handy when trimming over mulch or tight garden spaces where cleanup is a pain. Low cost, high impact, and one of those "why didn't I think of that" accessories. Hard floors always seem to need cleaning, and traditional mops don't make it easy. Ryobi's USB lithium power spray mop is designed to take the hassle out of the job. Instead of constantly pumping a trigger, this mop uses a powered spray function. Just press a button and it dispenses solution from its built-in 8-ounce tank, enough to cover over 1,000 square feet. The mop head pivots smoothly to get around furniture and into tight corners, and the built-in LED light helps you spot dust and grime in low-light areas like under cabinets. It comes with 3 reusable microfiber pads, which clean better and last longer than disposable ones. Powered by a rechargeable USB lithium battery, this mop gives you a faster, easier way to keep your floors looking fresh without the strain or mess of traditional mopping. Trim work just got easier. The Ryobi 16-gauge straight finish nailer uses airstrike tech to ditch the compressor and hose, giving you cordless freedom for crown molding, baseboards, and casing. It drives nails from 3/4 to 2.5 inches with tool-free depth adjustment for clean, flush finishes. You can switch between sequential and contact actuation modes depending on the job, and the low nail indicator helps avoid dry firing. Whether you're a pro or a weekend DIYer, this nailer makes finish carpentry faster, quieter, and way more convenient. When you need to cut, sand, or scrape in tight spaces, a multi-tool is the go-to, and Ryobi's HP brushless version brings serious upgrades. It cuts up to 80% faster and has the lowest vibration in its class, which means better control and less fatigue. The tool-free accessory release makes blade swaps quick, and the built-in LED light helps you see clearly in dark corners. With variable speed control and included blades for wood and metal, it's ready for everything from trimming door jambs to cutting drywall for electrical work. For everyday spills that are too stubborn for a rag but don't need a full-size carpet cleaner, the Ryobi Swift Clean is the perfect middle ground. It's cordless, lightweight at just 15 pounds, and always ready to go. It sprays solution, scrubs with a brush roll, and vacuums up the mess into a separate tank. The two-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, and since it runs on any 1+ battery, it's easy to grab and use. Great for carpets, rugs, and even upholstery, without the hassle of dragging out a bulky machine.
And that's a wrap on 20 new Ryobi tools, from smart plumbing fixes to serious cutting power and yard-clearing muscle. It's clear Ryobi's pushing their cordless lineup to cover just about everything. Which tool caught your eye? Drop your favorites in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're excited to try. If this breakdown helped, give it a thumbs up